Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a mistake you have made. You should say, what is it? When you made it, how did you feel about it?
One mistake that comes to mind is a time when I accidentally sent an email to the wrong person. It was a work email, and I had intended to send it to a colleague who I was collaborating with on a project. However, I accidentally clicked on the wrong name in my address book and sent the email to someone else who had a similar name. I realized my mistake almost immediately after hitting the send button, but it was too late. The email contained sensitive information about our project that was not intended for the recipient, and I felt embarrassed and ashamed of my mistake. I quickly sent a follow-up email to the intended recipient, explaining what had happened and apologizing for any confusion or inconvenience that may have been caused. I also sent an email to the unintended recipient, explaining the mistake and asking them to please delete the email without reading it. Despite my efforts to fix the mistake, I still felt bad about it for a while. I worried that the unintended recipient might have read the email and shared the information with others, which could have had negative consequences for our project. I also felt like I had let my colleague down by not being more careful when sending the email. In the end, I learned the importance of double-checking before sending important emails and taking steps to fix mistakes as soon as they happen. Mistakes happen to everyone, but it's how we handle them that matters most. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.